Good?
Very much.
Did you like it? You like it, no?
You take coffee with your cream, you squeak like a teen, and the Hugh Grant stuff you've watched enough, you mumble it in your dreams. You rock out on a broom and mangle some tunes. On weekends you dance in jammy pants until the afternoon. And I know it's hard to think that someone could be in sync with all your eccentricities. You're perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay. Your goofy little self eternally. Oh, I'm weird like you, I know it's true. I'm in the clouds up there with you. You think you're flawed, but wouldn't you agree? You're perfect for me. You talk to yourself and answer as well. You read ahead on Walking Dead before you watch the show. You eat bread with fur, you still call me sir. There's a piece of gum from 91 that's hiding in your purse. But no matter what I sing, I wouldn't change a thing. You're my postmodern masterpiece. You're perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay. Your goofy little self-eternal.
So guys, we've just been done eating lunch. Tapos, nagneto kami grocery dito sa Denmark. Nakabili ako nito. Chicharon. Tapos, ito din. And then, sa labas ng neto guys, may nagbibenta na ganito bata. There. This is a, it's like Lotto somehow. It is supporting the kids with cancer. So it's supporting kids with cancer. It's 50 crowns. Tapos i-scratch natin if may, may panalo. So what can we get from this if tayo ay manalo? Find try logo o see om du har vunnit. Okay. So kayo na lang magbasa o basta yan. Anyway, so scratch ko na. Okay, scratch natin to guys later na pagdating sa bahay kasi parang masakit ulo ko kasi it's like moving, nasa sasakyan kami. But anyway, let's try this. Wala kasi tayo sa Carcar ba? Carcar. Pero masarap to guys, promise. So yeah, so 12 crowns pala each. 12 crowns, tapos ito ang laman niya, may laman-laman pa siya sa loob guys. At saka it's spicy kasi it's flavored with jalapenos. Sarap. Kulang na lang niya, no? Suka. Suka na maanghang. Sarap.
You regret the fall or the times you did nothing at all. Here's one for magic that lives within, for seeing beauty in the commonest of things. Here's one for passion without restraint, to those who stumble to the ground and feel no shame. You're scared to fly in the endless sky, when the voices say that there's no way you'll ever make the grade. Let's say you try and you fall from high. When the sun is set, will you regret the fall? The times you did nothing at all. Failure's always an option, but doubt's the fatal toxin that leaves your dreams to wither on the vine. Why is your brain refusing? What are you scared of losing? If you don't try, you'll fail every time. You're scared to fly in the endless sky, when the voices say that there's no way